Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Update tayo sa ating nag-iisang The King of P-Pop SB19. International headlines na naman ang ating mahalima na isulat, na ilathala at na ipublish sa mga online social media platform. Ang SB19 goes on Variety International Media and News Company na nakabase sa Los Angeles, California na may mahigit 3 million followers sa social media account nila. Dahil nga talent na ng Utah United Talent Agency at under contract ang SB19, sila ay nailathala sa articles ng isang Variety. Yes, top Filipino boy group SB19 with Utah o United Talent Agency has signed Filipino music group SB19 for global representation in all areas. Nakapokus at responsibilidad ng Utah ang pag-perform ng SB19 sa Lollapalooza, Grammy Museum at Summer Sonic sa Japan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Variety is the leading global entertainment business news brand sa buong mundo at ito'y naka-base Los Angeles, California sa Amerika at may 3.4 million followers sa kanilang social media account.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.